Hello everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through custom templates. This is where you can create and manage custom statuses, priorities, categories, and custom fields for different teams, allowing you to tailor your workflow to their unique needs. To get started, click on Settings in the sidebar to view all settings. Then click on Custom Templates. Each space will have its own default template. You can edit this default template at any time to make changes. Now let's create a new template from scratch. To get started, click the New Template button. Click on Load Template to view all of our pre-built templates. You can then select and apply any of them to get a head start on your new template. This will automatically load all the statuses, priorities, and categories into your new template. You can easily add, rename, change the color, drag to rearrange the order, or remove any status to fit your specific needs. Similarly, you can easily add, rename, change the color, rearrange the order, or remove any priorities. And also for categories, you can add, rename, rearrange the order, or remove them to fit your specific needs. Now let's create a custom field. For this example, we'll choose the drop-down field type and label our new field t-shirt size. Now click on Options to add the different t-shirt sizes. Then, click Update to save all the changes you've made to this template. Now let's apply this template to a list. Open the list settings, click on Template dropdown, and select New Template. After that, click on Done. The new template has now been applied to the list. Let's open the list to take a look. We can see that the list is now displaying the statuses from New Template. Now let's open a task within the list to take a closer look. We can see the custom field t-shirt size in the task, along with the options we previously configured. You can always edit the template later to make any changes as needed. Thanks for watching.